Hello, hi everyone, welcome back to Woo Can Cook. Today we're diving back into our series dedicated to Chinese comfort food classics with yet another addition to our ever-growing collection of dumpling recipes, which is the classic Chinese wonton soup. For those following along, in the last year or so, we have now covered everything from your more standard pot stickers and gyoza to the more elaborately complicated xiao soup dumplings, steamed shumai dumplings, fried xian being stuffed pancakes, and pretty much everything in between. What sets this Chinese wonton apart, though, is that it's more typically made with an extremely thin egg-based wrapper, which, upon boiling, goes on to become the soft, delicate, bite-sized ball of deliciousness that we all know and love. Now, key word here that I should note, I did also say bite-sized, meaning that we will literally be hand-wrapping every single bite of our meal today, so some streamlined assembly hacks are going to be very useful as well. Okay, so let's get into it.